Hello to fans of noisy rendering, and to the rest, about rendering caustics is not relevant. I recently came across a problem where the project had a swimming pool on a sunny day. If I had rendered the crown, I would have solved this problem with a couple of buttons and twirlers. But since I'm an adventurer on the ass, I chose the Fstorm for this job. I thought for a long time how to do this and decided to fake it because there is no other way. If you want to get this scene with materials and textures for free, then subscribe to my Boost and Telegram channel. QR code on the screen. And now we go into the scene and simulate the pool. I will have it rectangular. Then, I create a lamp and set the direction to 1. I will also remove all unnecessary ticks. After that, I will make a box inside the pool, approximately the size of the walls, but I will lower it slightly below the edges. I will apply the material to boxing and set it up. Corduroy and diffuse, immediately turn off and cut reflection. I add AOR to about 3, but in some scenes this may not be enough, so focus on the O. Then refraction and also adjust the major. Usually I'll leave 1, 2, maybe 1 and 3. Scroll down below, and in the volume tab, I set the distance parameter to 50 millimeters. This parameter is extremely situational, and you also need to set it by eye, depending on your scene. I will also set the color to an absolute. I will not be too arrogant, exposing a little saturation. I will also reduce a little brightness. I will also connect a strong and blurry bump. We will also set up a UV. That's all with this material. Now we'll fake caustics. To begin with, I needed to get a caustic card. I was able to make it in Sapson Designer, and oh my god, if you go to my Boost, you will get a caustic card for free, but for the sake of justice, it is done very simply and very variably. Now we create a plane on top of the pool using the binding. Click on it with the right mouse button and remove the check mark in the form of a chatterbox. Now let's throw some material on it. Diffuse with corduroy immediately to 0 and load the card into the subnet. At the card itself, you need to click the invert check mark in the output tab. We unscrew the danger parameter by 0 and reduce the card's strength to about 90%. For more coolness in the first material, you can add the dispersion parameter and see the same fake. That's it. I would like to joke about the fact that an Fstorm without a denizer will render it for several years, but they don't joke about the patient. Subscribe to my Boost and Telegram channel. Bye for everyone.